Good morning. Today is the day. Magic Kingdom. We're on our way. So I know I look extra specially rough this morning because I'm just waking up and it's 7 a.m. It's actually 7:13 a.m. And I ended up getting up so early so that I can make sure that I booked our first Genie Plus reservation. We went on ahead and got Jungle Cruise for 12 p.m. and we're gonna try to get to Peter Pan's flight as soon as the park opens and as soon as we grab the kids some breakfast. But that has been the gist of my morning so far. My sister closed the blinds. She's not a morning person. We're able to get into a virtual queue for Tron Light Cycle Run. I think we're boarding group 48. And then at 1 p.m., I'm going to try to get my mom and stepdad in on the second virtual queue opening. So, fingers crossed for that. So we are finally back in our hotel room from Magic Kingdom today. Yeah. Yeah, we're both angry. So a few tips. So a few tips. If you are booking and you are booking after August 11th, don't. Um, you really don't get your money's worth because you have to leave the park by 6 in order for them to make room for the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Unless you are going to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, then that's fine. But if you only plan to go to the regular Magic Kingdom day, then I would stray away from it. Now, the only other issue that we had was we really didn't see any characters. Um, Mind you, it's been 24 years since we went to Magic Kingdom. And, you know, there was characters walking around. And I know they have the character meet and greets, but they really didn't even have too many of those because, again, the park was closing at 6 p.m. So, the only characters that we really were able to meet were Pooh and Friends, and that was because we had my daughter's birthday dinner at the Crystal Palace, which is a replica of the Crystal Palace that is in London. And, you know, that's the Winnie the Pooh reference there. Other than that, it was really nice. It was an enjoyable experience. You know, we were able to get a couple of treats while we were there. We went to Sleepy Hollow as well as the spring roll cart. The cheeseburger spring rolls are a must do. Like, I definitely should have got more. I would have got more, but that's another time. Since the park closed early, we did end up going to Disney Springs. We didn't stay long because we were kind of just wore out from being at Magic Kingdom all day. And we wanted, our main purpose of going there was to go to Gideon's Bakehouse, but of course the line was wrapped around the building, so we're going to try again some other day while we're on this trip. Now, I will say this. The Tron Light Cycle run was worth the wait. It was worth the virtual queue. It was extremely hot and exhausting up until the point where you get in the line itself, where they have the fans blowing on you, which it was kind of helping with the heat. But then when you get inside, they have the AC blasting, and then once you get on the ride, it's just air. Like, I was completely revived, and the ride was actually really fun. So definitely worth it. Definitely going to do it again. Next year, we're definitely doing all Disney parks, mostly Disney days, so that we can get on all the rides that we want to ride. So here's to next year. We actually have a really early day tomorrow. Me and my sister have to go to a seminar at 8:30, and then my mom and stepdad are going to Disney Magic Kingdom while we go to SeaWorld, and they're going to meet us over there later. So day 2 is going to be a SeaWorld adventure. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe to our content.